Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. My name's Will and this is the Whipple YouTube channel. You already know I gotta hit you with a quick sales pitch. If you get to the end of this video, you enjoyed it, think about hitting that subscribe button down below. Totally free to subscribe. Just send you a quick little notification whenever I'm posting some new content out there. So if you like the S650, you like the Raptor, TRX, GX550, just automotive content in general, you know, think about scrolling down below and hitting that subscribe button. Now, with that out of the way, we can get into today's video. Obviously, by the title, we are finally going to be getting the headers installed on the S650 Mustang. This is long overdue. I've had these things sitting in my garage now for a few months. So I'm going to unbox these things, show you exactly what we're going to be installing on the S650. Then the following day from when I'm filming it right now, I'm going to head up to Orlando, which is about a 2-hour drive from where I am right now down in South Florida. Fun fact, I went to college up in Orlando, lived there for about 10 years, so it's my old stomping ground. Pretty excited to go up there. We go up all the time, but going to be getting these installed by another influencer. I'll plug him later on in the video, this dude right up here. But like I said, let's go ahead, unbox these, show you what we're doing. Fast forward to tomorrow, we can finally get these things installed on the S650. So right over here, obviously, you can see we got the Stainless Works headers. These are the cheaper ones, so these are the stainless powered by Stainless Works headers. They're the 1 7/8 headers. Right up here in this smaller box, these are the O2 defowlers. These are from Lethal Performance, so these should help with, you know, hopefully getting no check engine light. Although not too big of a deal now since tuning is unlocked for the S650s, and I will be getting a custom tune for my S650 here pretty soon. If you don't know my vehicle, I'm running the VMP Stage 3 blower setup on it. Pretty much a Whipple Gen 6 3.0 supercharger, making right around 800 horsepower. But I think with getting these headers on there, it's going to allow the car to breathe a little bit more. And when we get that custom tune, as well as a few other things we got planned for this, I think I'll be getting close to my 1,000 wheel horsepower goal. So let me go ahead, open up this box, show you what we're working with. So I did unbox these in a prior video, but figured if you didn't check out this one or that one, this is your first time with us, go ahead, unbox these and show them to you. Oh yeah. Hardware, instruction manual, all that fun stuff. Clamps. Oh yeah, another thing I didn't mention, this is a catted setup. So right here we have the G Sport cats. You can see on the inside there. We'll see how long those last, but I believe that's everything. Just the headers, the cats. So yeah, here's the other one here. I'll lay it all out so you can see everything. The other cat. And I believe there's connector pipes. Yep. There we go. And 2 other pipes right there. So there's everything all laid out right now. Can't wait to get this installed. It is going to be loud as fuck, considering I have a muffler delete on my car. So more than likely we'll be doing a new axle back section with some mufflers, but for the time being, we're going to be a rowdy Coyote boy and let that little puppy scream. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm going to load these up into the car, fast forward to tomorrow, and I'll check in with you all then. yeah, she sounds pretty fucking mean now. So the headers are installed now. You saw a few sound clips there. I'm sure the video doesn't do it justice, but it sounds absolutely mental now. To be 100% honest with you, it's not like overbearingly loud, and that's because I still have the resonator on there. That was like the whole point why I haven't switched it out for like an X pipe or an H pipe. I know a lot of people were asking me why I haven't done that yet, and it was for this very reason. I wanted to see how crazy the long tubes were going to sound with having that stock resonator in there. And I think for the time being, I'm going to hold on to that until I find a new axle back section that I'm going to put on here. I'm thinking of doing like the Valvetronics setup. That way it has the valves and I can make it quiet, or I can make it totally rowdy. But for now, I'm going to rock it like this. I actually really do like it. I don't think it's too overbearing. It's definitely loud, don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to tell you it's not. It's pretty freaking ridiculous, but honestly, it's not as terrible as you would think since that resonator is still on there. But super happy. Thanks again, Davey, for helping with the install on this one. I know 100% I couldn't have knocked this out myself. It really is a pain in the balls getting these headers on there. There's hardly like any room to really like get your hands up in there and maneuver them around. So once again, bro, thank you so much. But yeah, let's get this thing on the dyno now. Hopefully I can get my tuning date secured with Palm Beach Dyno, and we can really start squeezing some crazy horsepower out of this and getting close to that, 1,000 horsepower mark, which, I've said from the get-go is my goal. But yeah, let me turn you around. I'm going to try and show you to see if you can see the headers down through the engine bay. So yeah, really hard to see because it's really tight, but you can kind of see it just poking right there. Luckily we got a lot of this already heat wrapped, so it should be fine. But there you go, good old header sitting down there, so you can see just how tightly packed everything is. And then over on the passenger side over here, even more so because I have my oil catch can. Yeah, there's like no room for activities over here. So yeah, header install is not for the faint of heart. If you guys tackle this yourself, you guys are absolute animals, and I totally commend you guys. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Totally stoked that the headers are now on the S650, and I'm really excited to, like I said earlier, get this thing back on the dyno and see what numbers it's putting down. They say headers are typically good for around 30 to 50 horsepower on the dyno, so I'm gonna put that to the test and see what we can actually squeeze out of this thing. But as always, guys, thanks for kicking it with me. If you like this type of video, you like the content, scroll down below, hit that subscribe button, jump in the comment section, let me know what you all think. My name's Will, this is the Whipple YouTube channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Later, everybody.